sana sakit hoy, awak nak terima hisar kertas.
Once again, I would like to welcome you all. Absolute honor to stand here today and welcome you all to this beautiful occasion. Okay. It is an absolute honor to stand here today and welcome you all to this occasion, to this beautiful occasion. We are gathered here to celebrate the love and union of Miss P.K. Samatia and groom Sir B.P. Meena. Two incredible souls who have found here forever in each other. Marriage is not just about finding right person. It's all about loving and cherishing them every single day. Today, as they exchange vows and promises, let us all witness it and bless the of their lifelong journey. So let's fill this place with joy, love, and celebration. As we watch these two become one, let the ceremony begin. Thank you, Jatana Hamdai. We also fill this place with joy, love, and celebration as we watch these two become one, united in life together forever. On behalf of bride P.K. Samatia and groom B.P. Meena, I would like to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Your presence here today means the world to them, and it's a testament to the love and support that surrounds them as they begin this new chapter. Some of you have traveled from near and far, and we truly appreciate the effort you have made to be here. Weddings are not just about two people coming together, but about families and friends uniting to celebrate love, joy, and lifelong commitment. So sit back, relax after this program and enjoy this beautiful celebration. Let's make this day filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. As we gather here today, we are not just witnessing a wedding, we are celebrating a love story that has brought two amazing people together. Miss PK Samatia and groom
만ak하는 인간게 에몬 랑탕을 뭐랑 컵사바야 리시원 하나니 저거는 문사대 그래 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 애좀 피ور 목 리스팅 이라이 boleh 엄마
Pati tangguh. Kamu kendel lo ke mana? Yang payung. Kamu pati wo mana?
Thank you.